When are my eggs going to hatch? They should crack soon. My eggs are about to hatch. Oh my god. Oh my god, my eggs hatched except one. You guys are so cute, my ducks.
Quack, quack, quack.
I love you guys. Kids, I'm going to go get some food for you guys, okay? Quack, quack. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Ha ha ha. He's all dusty.
No, I'm not. I'm not even dirty. That's just how I'm made. Just because you're yellow doesn't mean that you have to make fun of me. Did you see him? He was just sucking like a baby. So, look at it. Did you see his face? It was so hilarious. I'm going to run away. I'm going to go live here where no one can see me ever again. They just all keep on making fun of me. So what if I'm great? Doesn't mean I'm dirty. Hello, little duckling. Come out. What's wrong? He's so beautiful, isn't he? Yeah, you're right. Hello. Oh my god. I actually look very nice. Yes, you do. You're one of us. You're a swan. Didn't you know that? No, I didn't. I thought I was a duck, and everyone back home made fun of me, saying that I was dirty because I used to have grey feathers. It's okay. Well, now you can live with us because you're a swan like us.